How to enable or disable time-sensitive notifications on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Notifications. After that, we scroll down and tap on an apps that you want to turn on the time sensitive notifications. So for example, tap on FaceTime. Then in here, tap on time sensitive notifications. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And here it said, time sensitive notifications are always delivered immediately and remain on the lock screen for an hour. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.